Pick one of these.
That's beautiful.
I like it a lot.
Good God, man.
I like it.
That's as beautiful a specimen as I've ever seen.
Well, I went to get it. I got it.
Will you let it just come and go? Well, it comes and it goes and it comes and it goes, but you know when it goes and it comes. Oh, I can't make up my mind. I can't seem to make up my mind. I don't know what I want when I want a tater, or if I want a tater.
Jesus Christ, man, kill himself around here. You see that stuff falling down? You'll sit there playing guitar and